Imagine the universe isn't silent. Imagine that at this very moment, a low, omnipresent bass note is vibrating through every atom of your body. Scientists have spent 15 years searching for a ghost in the machine of reality, and they have finally confirmed its existence. There is a strange, chaotic hum permeating the entire cosmos. And what it reveals about our history is far more unsettling than we ever imagined.
How do you hear a sound where sound shouldn't exist? To find the answer, scientists didn't use a microphone. They used a galaxy-sized stopwatch. They turned their attention to millisecond pulsars, the collapsed remains of giant stars that spin hundreds of times every second, emitting radio beams with the precision of atomic clocks. By timing 68 of these clocks scattered across the Milky Way, they looked for a specific type of interference. Then, scientists noticed something strange. The pulses weren't arriving exactly when they should. Something was physically stretching and squeezing the distance between the Earth and these stars. This answered the first question. The universe is indeed vibrating. But it created two much bigger questions. What is powerful enough to shake the fabric of space itself? And why does the vibration never stop?
The deeper they looked, the stranger it became. This wasn't just a random tremor. It was a background roar coming from every direction at once. In June 2023, the Nanograv collaboration revealed that this hum follows a very specific mathematical pattern known as the Hellings-Downs curve. This quadrupular fingerprint is the unmistakable mark of a gravitational wave background, a literal sea of ripples in space-time. However, the real mystery had only begun. These ripples are so long and slow that a single wave can take years to pass by the Earth. If our current understanding of physics is correct, the source of this energy must be something of incomprehensible scale.
Presenting an unexpected possibility. We are listening to a cosmic graveyard. The primary suspects for this hum are supermassive black hole binaries, pairs of black holes each millions or even billions of times the mass of our sun, locked in a death spiral at the hearts of merged galaxies. As these titans orbit each other, they churn reality like a giant whisk, sending ripples out across the void. But that wasn't the most shocking part. For the hum to be this loud and constant, it means there aren't just a few of these systems. There are likely billions of them spiraling together across the observable universe right now. The stakes are suddenly much higher. If the universe is this crowded with colliding giants, our models of how galaxies grow might be fundamentally. What they discovered next changed everything. While billions of black holes can explain the noise, they can't explain the entire signal. When researchers filtered the data, they realized that buried underneath the roar of the black holes, there might be a signal that is even older, something primordial. Previous assumptions held that the early universe was a silent, uniform plasma that blocked all signals from the dawn of time. But gravitational waves are different. They travel through anything. This suggests we aren't just hearing black holes, we are hearing the literal echo of the Big Bang. This builds toward the biggest implication of all. If we are hearing gravitational waves from the first trillionth of a second of existence, we are looking at the cosmic microwave background of gravity. We are witnessing the moment the universe transitioned from a quantum speck to a vast expanse. But the intensity of this hum is far greater than what our most advanced theories predicted. This creates maximum suspense for the scientific community. Either there are many more black holes than we thought, or there is a type of new physics occurring at the beginning of time that we have yet to discover.
The strange hum is the gravitational wave background. It is the collective symphony of the most violent events in the universe, the merging of galaxies and the birth of the cosmos itself, constantly ringing through the fabric of reality. We have finally developed the ears to hear, that we live inside a giant vibrating bell, where the clapper is the collision of supermassive black holes.
If the very fabric of space is currently screaming with the energy of 1 billion colliding monsters, and we've only just started to hear it, what other invisible forces are tearing through your body right now, completely undetected?